Hey there, how's it going, people? Newly dubbed callsign Mango here with some new content. Just a while back, I visited Stronghold Ops in Abington, Massachusetts. My friend and I wreaked havoc for about 8 hours straight of intense CQB action. My primary weapon is a G&G Scar L, and I'm running an APS ACP as a secondary, and a Cold Steel Trainer Tomahawk for those melee kills, while my friend is using a G&G GR15. This facility is a 25,000 square foot arena of BB Wars fun. The day we played, the site was filled with 40 or more players on the field, and to say the least, it got close enough for axe kills, which you'll see. Of all the fields in New England, Stronghold is one of the best CQB arenas you can find, with friendly staff and great players. They offer a pro shop, maintenance and repair services, and pizza. What more could you ask for? So anyways, if you're in the MA region or close by, I hope to see you on the field and enjoy the video.
Yeah, the cameraman. Hi!
No bands, get into your spawn.
We are!
If I can still see you, you're not in your spawn.
I am.
Glad to see the bands are ready and listening. No bands are still not ready. There we go. No bands, are you ready?
Yeah!
There we go. Capture the flag is on in 3, 2, 1. Game on, go! Remember guys, the flags are in oil drums because they're not full, it's not been drilled yet. 1 minute until you can touch the flag. 1 minute. The flag is stuck in there pretty good. "30 seconds until the flags are active. 30 seconds. Stand there 1 center.
Hey, cover me this way. There's some people right in here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The flags are now active. It can't be stolen.
Oh, wait, ricochet. Come in. Hey, we got guys right along the corner. He's popping out at one of the buildings. We're clear. Hey! Oh shit, that's me. I'm surprised I didn't get hit.
Watch that door.
Yeah.
Hey, watch out, watch out. It's going through the door.
On that side.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over. Game over. Round over. Switch sides.
Go, 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 go. Hey, someone come to my left.
Oh, man, hold it. Yep, right side.
What do we got down there?
Hold it clear, up, right side, road.
Someone come up with me.
Go.
Get to that door. I'll cover you this way. Go, go, go. F***ing hell, no.
I got a B if we need it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The flags are now active. It can be taken. The flags are now active. It can be taken.
Hey, we got someone right here in this building right here.
Yeah. Try to get in through that window.
Hit! Good shot.
Go. Clear. Go. Get hallway,
Go hallway, hallway, hallway! He's out! Hallway clear!
Alright. Yeah, move building. Move up.
Yo, hallway's clear, let's go!
Alright, go. Free.
Move it! Go, go, go!
Alright, that's not clear.
Okay, I don't know what happened to the guy, but it's not the other one. Everybody believe that they ain't seeing it. Dead man, walk inside a dead man, dead man, exiting the room, dead man, exiting the room.
He's down!
Hey, no full auto, check your selector switches, guys. No fully automatic inside this facility whatsoever.
Black building, to the right! So we got the guys to our left. Hey, nice job, guys. I saw someone running back and forth right there.
I like crawled back here. I got someone in here.
I just saw your face peek out through the window. I was like, oh shit.